Welcome to Hampton Roads Happenings. I'm Leanne Rains Benedetto. Are you struggling with pain and numbness in your feet so badly that you're having a hard time getting around? Well, there is a solution for you, and we're joined today by Tammy Cullifer. She's the office manager at Liberty Healthcare. Tammy, thank you so much for joining us. This is a problem for millions of people, really. And we're talking about neuropathy, right?
Yes.
What exactly does that mean for people?
Peripheral neuropathy is numbness and pain of the lower extremities. It could be caused from quite a few things: diabetes, side effects to medicines, deficiency in B12, alcoholism, injuries, chemo.
And when we're talking about this kind of pain, and we have some pictures to indicate, it is anything from feeling numb, burning,
Sharp.
feeling as if you're stepping on tacks.
Exactly.
What are the different things people experience?
Sharp pains, decreased range of motion, very sensitive. They can't have the sheets touch their feet at night.
Right.
Not able to wear shoes because of the discomfort.
What does Liberty offer for people who have the situation that we're looking at right there?
We have a treatment that we do. It's we start off with a physical exam, and then we do a little testing in the office. Once the testing confirms there is nerve damage, we do treatment with injections, and we also do some anodyne light, and it's called an infrared light, and we also do some electrical stimulation. With the combination of the three, we're getting a 90% success rate with our patients getting increased feeling, decreased pain, able to sleep at night.
Yeah, this affects so many things. You talk about sleep, you talk about safety in driving.
Yes.
And when you have neuropathy, it affects your balance, doesn't it?
Yes.
And that's critical, particularly for older
It deteriorates the muscles.
And so people fall more often.
Exactly.
What about insurance coverage and payment for something like this?
It is FDA approved, and most insurances do cover the treatment. Once you come in, we would call and get all the details, and then let you know, if there's a copay or if pre-certification is required. We handle that.
Okay. And specifically, what are the treatments painful? When you say injections, I go, oh. But
we use a very fine needle, one of the smallest around. It is a little painful. I mean, it is a needle. We do use a topical anesthetic, and then we do the injections. And most of the time, since they can't feel much, they don't feel a lot of the needles, so it's not so bad.
which is part of the danger of having this kind of neuropathy and not trying to turn it around, is that you can't feel your feet and then something terrible can happen, and that's why diabetics often lose their extremities. All right, so if you're interested, if you have this kind of neuropathy or this pain and numbness in your feet, it's definitely worth it to make the call to Liberty Healthcare to find out what the situation is and if the procedures at Liberty Healthcare can turn your health around and give you more stability and give you a better quality of life. So make the call or take a look at the website.